So hello guys, welcome back to all of you on our official YouTube channel Day to Day Tech. Today our video topic is that what is the real difference between gaming PC and a regular work computer. So without starting this video, I request subscribe my YouTube channel and also like this video, share this channel with your friends, family member, and you're to get more update tech videos from our YouTube channel. So without wasting time, let's start the video without wasting time. Okay, so let's start the topic. I also read from this website. I will put that link on the description. From there you can watch that. From there you can go to this website and also read that whole article which I write on my own hands. So if you don't understand fully this video, so I will also recommend you to watch the full video. If you have any doubt or any comments, you can tell me in the comment section. So I will reply you as soon as possible. So without wasting time, let's start the video. Okay, so how do gaming PC differ from a regular PC? Let's talk about it. We all heard the terms gaming PC, alternatively mentioned as a pivotal achievement in the computer hardware as the bottomless pins into which PCs and hustles for far too much money. But what make a computer a gaming PC and how different than the computer your company put on your desk? Okay, so this is the one universal defined characteristic of a gaming PC: a higher end grade GPU card, graphic card. Okay, so okay, that is it. There that were we draw a line between consumer PC and gaming PC. Consumer PC and gaming PC game demand a level of graphic performance that is the average computer just can't deliver using the graphics processing that built into the CPU. Not every grade CPU is a gaming grade, but this is where we draw the line. Without one of these, computer just doesn't make the cuts. That doesn't mean that it stop. Their gaming PC can get into some needs realms, but everything else I'm about to list is the optional, keeping in the mind. Okay, so number first one is high speed unlock CPU. Not every gaming PC is the overclock, but I rarely build without the option in the Intel CPU speak. This means a PC home model number is the end either an X or K, and i7 4th generation 4790 is the lock chip with the i7 4790K can be overlocked with a few quick adjustments in the BIOS, allowing gamer to push the gaming to performance level beyond the manufacturer specification. Number two is the higher end cooling, frequently using water. I cannot remember the last time I built a system that then doesn't have a water cooler, but there are the higher end air cooler as well. High end CPUs and GPUs both produce a great deal of heat, and keeping these components cool during extended gameplay prevent sluttering, a lag, and other performances issue related to heat. Using water cooling we can increase the surface area that we have be available to dissipate heat and more efficiently move that heat away from those components. So I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so let's move further. Heat and more efficiently move that heat away from those components. Overlock component produce even more heat, and it's certain point to push performance. Further cooling on water become required rather than simple optional. Okay, so I hope you like this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and also like this video. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.